How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am making this video to teach and explain you EVS lesson number 1 about myself. After reading the name of the lesson, you can understand that today we are going to learn something related to ourselves and our body. Okay children, so let's start our lesson. Have a look at the picture of a baby I am showing here. I think you are confused who is this baby. No problem. I will show you another picture of that same baby here. No recognition? Who is this person? One more picture I will show you. Yes, I think so that you are answerable. Yes, he is the Sachin Tendulkar. Do you know which sports does he plays? Of course, yes, cricket. The very first photo which I showed you was the childhood photo of Sachin Tendulkar. And this photo is of his young. Now students, you must have thinking why teacher has shown you the picture of Sachin Tendulkar. Because just to make you explain that we were born as a baby. We look different as a baby. As we grow older, different parts of our body also grow. Now students, can you recall your friends of class 1? Does everyone look the same? No. Some of you were tall, some were short, some have curly hair, others have straight hair. Look at the picture given here. The two boys' picture has been given. One is tall in height and one is short. Here girl's picture is given. One girl hair is straight and one is curly. Now let us move to our next part of our lesson, parts of the body. Our body has three main parts: head, trunk and limbs. Head. Head for head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, cheeks and chin are present in and around the head area. This is our head. Here we have in our head and around our head, that is head, forehead, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, cheek and chin. Now trunk. Chest, in front, the back and the shoulders and the stomach form the trunk. The head is attached to the trunk by the neck. This is our trunk area. Here we have chest, backside, shoulder, stomach. This forms the trunk and the head is attached with the shoulder to the trunk. Our third main part is limbs. Arms from the shoulder to the fingers form the upper limbs. We use our hands to touch and feel and hold things. Here we have two types of limbs, upper limbs and lower limbs. A shoulder to the finger. Arms from the shoulder to the fingers forms upper limbs. This we can use to hold things, clap hands, catch the ball, and etc. We can do many things with the help of our hand. Legs from the hips to the toes form the lower limbs. We use our legs to walk, run and jump. This is our lower limbs, which includes from hips to the toe. We use our lower limbs to walk, run and jump. So students, did you got the main parts of our body? Can you recall it with me? Our body has three main parts: head, trunk and limbs. Do you know students, our body has these different parts and each part have different names and each part are different and they are all useful too. Each part of our body does a special job. Now let's have a close look of our body parts. We have 5 sense of organs and these help us to know the world around us. So let us learn more about it. Here we have eyes, hand, that is skin, nose, ear and tongue. These are the main sense of organs by which we can see, feel, taste, smell and hear the thing. With the help of our eyes, we can see the things around us. With the help of our ear, we can hear what is going on. With the tongue, we can taste the food. With the nose, we can smell the flower scent. And with the help of our skin, we can touch the thing. Now let us go in detail about these sense organs. The eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue are our sense organs. These sense organs help us to see, hear, smell, touch and taste respectively. Now one by one we will go in detail what about the sense organs help us. First one is eyes. The eyes help us to see everything around us. Tears comes from our eyes when we cry. The eyelid and eyelashes protect our eyes. Ears. The ears help us to hear sounds. We enjoy hearing some sounds like music and chirping of birds. So with the help of ears, we can listen to the music. That means all the voice you hear is with the help of your ear. Nose. Nose helps us to smell. We can smell the sweet scent of flower as well as the bad smell from garbage dump with the help of our nose. So with the help of our nose, we can smell the scent of a perfume, a flower. Nose let us smell the things. It helps us to breathe also. Next is skin. Skin helps us to feel the thing around us. The skin allows us to know whether the things are hot, cold, rough, smooth, hard or soft. With the help of the skin, we can feel the things around us. So our body is covered with the skin. And the last one is tongue. The tongue helps us to taste the different food item. With the help of our tongue, we can taste the food which we eat. When our mama prepares food for us, you say, "Wow, it's yummy or very tasty." Do you know how it's possible? Yes, due to our tongue, because tongue helps to taste our food. As you came to know, the sense organs are very important for us. So we should take care of it. We should take care of our eyes. You should wash your eyes with clean and cool water while you wash your face in the morning. Do not rub your eyes if there is dirt in it. Do not put or place sharp and pointed object in and around the eyes because it can damage your eyes. And do not watch television for a long time. Did you got those, students? You should not see more television and not to use more mobile phones because it can put a harm in your eyes. Ears. How to take care of your ears? Let us see. Do not put any object like pencil or pin into your ears. Do not use a stick or a pin to clean your ears. And avoid listening to loud music. You should listen to the music in a low voice. Otherwise, it can damage your ears. Tongue. Clean your tongue regularly when you brush your teeth. While you brush your teeth in the morning, you should clean your tongue too. Nose. Do not put dirty or sharp object into your nose. Clean your nose while bathing. We should not put any sharp or dirty object into our nose, and we should clean our nose while bathing. And skin. Have a bath every day to keep your skin clean. Wash your hands before eating a meal and wash your hands after using a toilet. I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.